Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? I hope that all of you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome you all to NIVS Home School. This is Mahmudur, Rahman, Assistant Teacher of National Ideal English Version School. Today I am going to take a Bangladesh and Global Studies class for the students of class 9. Today I will discuss two creative questions from chapter number 10 and 11. Okay, students, let's see the board at first. This is the class for the students of class 9. Our subject is Bangladesh and Global Studies. Today's topic chapter 10 and 11 creative questions. This is your lecture number 19 and your HW number 17. I repeat again, this is your lecture number 19 and your homework number 17, and your homework will be creative question 1C, term half yearly, teacher Mahmudur Rahman, and this is my mobile number. Okay, let's begin the discussion. At first we will discuss the creative question from chapter number 10. The name of this chapter is Sustainable Development Goals, that means SDG. Question STEAM at first. Scene 1. A real estate company, after filling some portions of the river Balu, is selling out plots by displaying billboards on the land beside. Scene number 2. The tannery industry has been shifted to Savar, but the waste management is not being done yet. The garbage is being dumped into the nearby canal. Scene 3. The citizens of City Corporation A have made their areas beautiful and livable by maintaining their own roles and responsibilities instead of depending on the government. So there are three scenes, and based on these three scenes there are four questions. At first, question number A. What is the climate program? The answer is, climate program is a step to keep the climate in favor of the globe so that we can save ourselves from the difficulties occurred due to climate change. Question number B. Why is partnership needed in sustainable development? A group of people who work for and enjoy the benefits of any development are partners. Every sector, organization and person has a role in regard to achieve SDG or Sustainable Development Goals. Dear students, in this sentence, this E will be in capital letters. Mistake in typing. So there must be a partnership between the government and the people of the country to gain the SDG. Question number C. Explain which areas have been indicated in scene 1 and scene 2. In scene 1, the Balu river has been indicated. It is located in the east of Dhaka city. It is surrounded by Dhaka, Damra and Naranganj. This river is polluted due to dumping waste of the industries of these areas. Also, the river is being filled up by dredgers by some influential people. That is why it is losing its navigability gradually. And in scene number 2, the scene 2 says about the area of Savar. As tannery industry has been shifted to Savar, all the garbages of tannery industry are being dumped into the river and canals. As a result, the river and canals are getting polluted rapidly. Now question number D. Evaluate this statement. Scene 3 is an example of how to ensure holistic and universal development all over the world. At first, we will learn holistic development. Holistic development is a top priority in every sector of Bangladesh. Whenever all of the parts of a society or a country are included in the development, then it is called holistic development. The people of the City Corporation A have been able to make their areas beautiful and livable because all of the citizens of the area have worked according to their positions in cooperation with one another. Usually, there are many resources in every area. If the inhabitants of the area can utilize the resources properly with an honest intention, the area can be made beautiful easily. In this regard, They do not need any support of the authority. It seems that the area has been formed in such a way every citizen is getting his or her required object. It is also seems that different types of people such as teachers, students, farmers, tailors, businessmen, etc. are performing their respective roles and they have a common commitment as well as there is no dishonesty, hypocrisy in them. And this is why they have been capable of making the area livable. So, supposing the locality to be an example, if we, the world people, can work cooperatively with the common commitment, it is not difficult to ensure holistic and universal development all over the world. So, after reading this question answer, we can conclude up that all the people of our area and every citizen from his respective position should contribute his responsibilities to contribute for the betterment of his area, and thus when every citizen will perform his roles and responsibilities, the world will become a livable place or a better livable place. So now we will discuss on chapter 11 the national resource and economic systems. There is a creative question. At first I will read out the stem. Partha is the citizen of a country named A. The country where he was born does not allow establishing industry by personal initiative. The factory in which the father of Partha used to work would give a portion of his due wage only when needed. Recently, Partha has got the citizenship of a country named Kha. He has established an industry by spending $1 lakh. He has established another industry with his earnings. Okay. Now there are 4 questions. Question number A, how many divisions can the asset are divided into? We know that the asset can be divided into 4 divisions. Question number B, what is the economic system? Explain. The system or structure under which the ownership of factors of production is determined and the process of distribution and consumption of production is accomplished is called the economic system. Now we will have 2 questions regarding this stem. Question number C, explain the nature of economic system of A country of Partha from the point of view of the subject matter you learned. Partha is the citizen of a country named A. The country where he was born does not allow establishing industry by personal initiative. The economic system of the country A of Partha is the socialistic economic system. The students, they know that in socialistic economic system, the government or the authority controls everything and the citizens or the individuals are not allowed to own any industry. In a socialistic economic system, the ownership of the production process and distribution of asset is different compared to capitalistic system. All asset including factors of production is under the state ownership in the socialistic economic system. So the state pays wage to the laborers and incurs other expenses of production. As a result, there remains no scope to deprive the laborers by the capitalist like the system of capitalism. In this process, everyone gets work according to his qualification and remuneration according to the work. There is no unemployment in this system because the state arranges works for all as per his ability and qualification. The income of all is not same, but none is deprived from his due income in production according to his contribution. Now question number D, discuss with logic the difference between the economic system of the country of Kha with the economic system of the country A. Partha is the citizen of a country named A. The country where he was born does not allow establishing industry by personal initiative. So there is the socialistic economic system. The factory in which the father of Partha used to work would give a portion of his due wage only when needed. Recently, Partha has got the citizenship of another country named Kha and he has established an industry by spending $1 lakh. He has established another industry with his earnings. So the capitalist economic system is prevalent in the country named Kho. So we can find both of the economic systems here. One is socialistic economic system and another is capitalistic economic system. Now we will see the differences between these two economic systems. The difference between two economic systems is given below. Based on the elements of production in socialistic economic system, all assets including factors of production is under the state ownership in the socialistic economic system, and in the capitalistic economic system the components of production process is under the individual ownership in capitalistic economic system. Taking initiatives. In socialistic economic system, the government takes basic decision in producing goods and imparting services to the citizens in the socialistic economic system. On the other hand, the individual alone or collectively can take an initiative for producing goods or services in the system. Freedom of the consumer. In socialistic economic system, there is no freedom in making decisions regarding production by the producer in the system. And in capitalistic economic system, the producer is free and independent here in taking any decision. And the final point is earning profit. In socialistic economic system, the main objective of production in the system is to meet the basic needs of each citizen and to attain highest welfare for the people. On the other hand, in capitalistic economic system, earning maximum profit is the main objective of the production. So the students, I think you have well understood to these two creative questions. You will read these answers and you will try to make your own answers too. Dear students, that's all for today's class. We have discussed two creative questions from chapter number 10 and 11. Your homework will be question number 1C. Okay, that means this question explain which area have been indicated in scene 1 and scene 2. This will be your homework. CQ 1C. So this will be your homework. So dear students, if you find any problem or difficulty, then please contact me. Till then, take care of yourself, attend the online classes and watch the YouTube classes regularly. Take care of yourself. See you in the next class. Allah Hafiz.